Hi guys, my name's Luke. I'm bringing you Life Hack this year and I'm part of the Together Stronger project. In 2018, I became a member of the Together Stronger project. And here I am in 2022, hosting Life Hack.
Life Hack is a free inspirational event where young people can meet with industry professionals and take part in creative, interactive workshops. Life Hack is taking place at the Factory in Porth as part of our Together Stronger partnership between the Wales Millennium Centre and Rally's Kids. There's 14 different artists and industry professionals and organisations who are going to be delivering workshops today. A massive speed networking session for all the young people who come as well. We've got free food and we top it all off with a silent disco.
I attended Life Hack today. I absolutely loved it and all the Life Hack team were amazing.
It's really good coming to Life Hack because it's really enjoyable, the atmosphere is great, all the people are nice and lovely. Yeah, I would advise coming along.
It's really easy to talk to people and meet new people, and it is just really easy. I say it a lot, but it's easy, it's really good.